All right, let me show you the awesomeness that was the oil trade on March 14th, 2018. So you can see here the date, okay, on here. So all times are Eastern time, so New York time, and I'm just looking at a 1 minute chart to kind of just show you, how crazy this move was, right? Numbers came out exactly, of course, at 10:30, and oil dropped quite quickly to 60.50, and again, it doesn't quite show you exactly how retarded that move was yesterday, but if you look at it again, this is a 1 minute chart. So that dropped, and of course, the people who don't know how to trade this properly obviously put in a short right away. Maybe they caught it 65, 70, 60, 80, whatever. There were a lot of just normal clients, not lifetime clients, but normal clients who don't go into the room um, with with this, right? So where I shorted was around 61.04. Okay, so it was around this time that I was shorting around here. So again, people automatically shorted around, I don't know, 60, 70, 60, 80, whatever it is. The reports or the emails I got were, as soon as the number came out, I shorted because obviously you short because the number was bearish. And some of them got raped because their stops were too tight, blah, 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 right? So eventually the market came down and then went back up again and then came down again. I think we went as low as 60, whatever this is, 60.14, and then went back up. What I'm trying to say, so let me switch this back out to the 5 minute chart, the usual chart. Okay, so the point that I want to try to make from this, right, is that your training really will speak to me, at least, you know, in times of great turmoil. That is when your training or your knowledge really will be clear as to what kind of a trader you are and how good your composure is, your convictions, and so on and so forth, right? So this was a trade that we did. It's profitable again, 6104. People who automatically saw the report, got screwed over. And of course, the question I get is, when do you guys usually take the move? When there's a news event or when there's a report and everything? Obviously, I can't answer that because that's proprietary. That's what I teach. I teach when to go in and when to get out to students of Equity Sense, right? But we're not going to just answer those questions, not even for subscribers, because subscribers, you guys pay to get, to get our ideas, right? To get the signals. We don't we don't get paid to explain to you where we enter and where we exit. That's again proprietary. So I'm not making this video to be nagging at anybody. I'm just I'm making this video to explain to you that these events, right, are so crazy and so volatile that if you're ill-equipped to handle these events, it will definitely show. If you're not properly trained, whether it's your own training or someone else trained you, it'll probably definitely show, how good or bad of a trader you are, right? We were able to pull through this. We were able to make money. I've been doing this for 12 years, so probably in the first 2 years of my trading career, I probably got raped multiple times on oil and all the reports. But this stuff does not scare me anymore. I usually just laugh it off because again, that's just how the market is, right? So again, if you got raped on oil, maybe, I don't know, go back and invest in a book or something, or if you want, you can take the class, right, for oil trading. That's a suggestion. If you don't want to spend, I don't know, keep trying, doing trial and error. Maybe you'll get it. Who knows, right? But that's the whole point of trading, oil reports and all. And it's not even limited to oil reports. If it could be, it could be U.S. events, it could be any data point, whatever you trade, forex, futures, whatever. Just the volatility is there, and you have to be able to trade it properly. Otherwise, you're going to end up losing a lot of money, right? So if you've been losing a lot of money in these events, maybe it's time to stop. Maybe it's time to get help. But if you insist on keep doing what you're doing and continue to lose money, that is up to you. I mean, not my money anyway. So definitely, find a way to improve on that one because you don't want to waste your money. You don't want to get screwed over, right? When you're trading. Okay, so thank you for your time. Hope you always have good trades. Take care and